Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get ready for an Arooss. It's just basic makeup guide, and we're just going to get straight into it.
First you're going to get that concealer and put it under your eyes because under your best so you don't want to be black and you don't want to look black, so you're going to put on that concealer. So now it's time to use your powder. I'm going to use ball butter because I really want to be team light skin. I don't want to always take selfies under the light, I want to be light skin, so ball butter. So this is the ball butter on my face. No Diana needed. So it's time for the eyeshadow, and I'm going to put on one that matches my skin because what about sauce? I want one that matches my skin because it's going to look jam and it's going to look really good. Oh my god, on fleek much. Kabadi, put on your winged eyeliner. Hoya always says I look like Ayala Silk when I put this on, but really I look professional. Make sure you don't put it on heavy because Gay Mahmoud's gonna notice. This is my winged eyeliner finish. It looks really nice. It doesn't look too heavy. It's time for your mascara, girls. Okay, you don't want to sit that shit to do it for you. You have to do it yourself and make sure it's really light, not heavy, and don't make a mess. You do not want to make a mess on your eye. Now it is time for your eyebrows. Now remember, they gotta be twins, not sisters. You don't want one eyebrow because you dead with kakaleta. Make sure all the Somali girls think it's organic, okay? Because they're gonna judge you. They're gonna judge you today. Okay, now it's time for your Kylie Jenner lips, and don't put on too much because the Somali lady sitting on the other side of the room gonna start judging you and being like, "Ala fiiri gabadha Umar Mahmoud roseetada isku dhigtay." At the end of the day, the Somali lady is gonna judge you and you're gonna be the talk of the town, but it don't matter because you're gonna look so gurah, okay? By manta barwaka nakodesa, okay? Trust me. Now put that on so light. Don't go over your lip line, okay? Hey, this is your finished look, girl. You're gonna look so fly. I'll see you guys in the next sport. And hey, hoya! How welcome also Saada. Yeah, okay, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Toledo.